Imagine a world where aging is just a thing of the past, where humans live, not for decades but for centuries, maybe even forever. Sounds like science fiction, right? But with the pace of modern science, this concept might be closer than we think. Scientists around the world are making breakthrough discoveries in anti-aging, regenerative medicine, and even digital immortality, where the mind can live on, even if the body can't. To understand the science of living forever, we first need to understand why we age. Our cells divide to keep our bodies functioning, but each time they divide, a tiny bit of DNA at the end, called a telomere, shortens. Eventually, these telomeres become too short and cells can't divide anymore, leading to the signs of aging. Aging also affects our organs and systems, leading to age-related diseases like heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. But what if we could slow down, or even stop, this process? From lab research to experimental treatments, scientists are developing ways to delay the aging process. One area of focus: telomeres. By lengthening these tiny DNA caps, researchers hope to extend the lifespan of human cells. One enzyme, telomerase, can actually rebuild telomeres, which could help cells continue dividing beyond their normal limit. Early research shows promise, but could this eventually lead to longer human lifespans? And it's not just about telomeres. Some scientists are testing compounds like NAD+ and rapamycin. Both have been shown to slow aging in animal models, extending their lives by up to 30%. Beyond delaying aging, regenerative medicine holds another key to immortality. Imagine replacing damaged organs with new, lab-grown versions, or repairing them using stem cells. Stem cell therapy is already being used to treat certain conditions, but in the future, it could help us replace entire organs or tissues, keeping our bodies youthful and healthy indefinitely. Living forever doesn't just mean preserving the body. Some scientists and futurists are exploring the concept of digital immortality, the idea that our minds could be uploaded to computers, creating a digital version of ourselves that could live on indefinitely. This idea, sometimes called mind uploading, is still theoretical, but research into mapping and replicating the brain's neural connections is underway. Could we eventually transfer our thoughts, memories, and personality into a machine? While it sounds far-fetched, companies like Neuralink are already experimenting with brain-machine interfaces, inching us closer to a future where consciousness could potentially live on without a biological body. But just because we might be able to achieve immortality, does that mean we should? There are ethical questions to consider. Who would have access to such technology? Would it widen the gap between the rich and poor? And how would society adapt to a world without natural aging? Living forever also raises environmental questions. Could the Earth handle the strain of a population that doesn't age and die? Would resources be sustainable for a population that could theoretically keep growing indefinitely? While immortality may not be here yet, each year brings new advancements. We might see breakthroughs in anti-aging therapies, regenerative medicine, and brain-computer interfaces within our lifetimes. So what do you think? If given the chance, would you choose to live forever? As science pushes the boundaries of life, the possibility might be closer than you think. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel.